Hello, everyone. It's nice to meet you again. I am Danes and it's time for us to share the products again in this issue. The product we want to recommend to you is a general purpose solid level, negative level switch from VEGA. Why is it called a yin difference level switch? You can observe his appearance. This measures this. As for the probe, his one looks very much like a fork. I think this should also be a source of his name. What about this product? It is more suitable for measuring the level of powdery or solids with a density greater than or equal to the. Then it is a negative object with cable as the switch. Well, what about its measuring range? Well, up to 10 millimeters. Therefore, the range of products that can be measured is still relatively large. At the same time, this product has a feature. It is his switch point, which can be installed 80 meters away from the installation position of the product. So that's for some of our long distance measurements. Well, it brought a very good solution. So let's summarize this product. What are its specific advantages? Well, first of all, the first point is you can see that the structure of this product is very strong. The whole shell is made of aluminum. It can have a moisture-proof and explosion-proof effect. This also saves us a lot of cost in post-make. What about the second point? When this product is being debugged, he may not need a ring. It is installed and debugged independently. It also saves us time and cost. In addition, as we just mentioned, its switch point can be 80 meters away from the product installation location. Within the scope of practical application, in the application scenario, it is also a relatively good advantage. Okay, that's it for today's sharing. Hope to see you all again next time. Bye.